Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I share with you some beautiful crochet indoor plants cover designs model. Let's start. Crochet indoor plant covers, also known as crochet plant couches or planters, as decorative covers made using the crochet techniques to encase the pots of interior plants. They add a touch of handmade charm and can be customized to fit various pot size and personal styles. Tips for creating crochet plant covers. First, choose the right yarn material. Cotton yarn is a good choice as it is durable and washable. Weight. Choose a weight that suits the design. Thick or worsted weight yarns are common choices. Measure your pot. Measure the height and circumference of the pot to ensure a snug fit for your cover. Select the appropriate hook size. Use a hook size that matches your yarn width to achieve the desired tension and stitch definition. Customize the pattern. Adjust the number of stitches and rows based on your pot's dimensions. Add or omit rows to ensure the cover reaches the desired height. Create a sturdy base. Start with a flat circle that matches the base of your pot to ensure stability. Use a tight stitch to avoid sagging. Secure the top edge. Finish with a tight rows of single crochet or a slip stitch to ensure the top edge. Consider adding a drawstring or elastic band for a more secure fit. Add finishing touches. Impress with buttons, beads, or embroidered details. Weave it all ends securely to ensure durability. Popular patterns and tutorials. Basic crochet plant pot cover. Many free patterns are available online for basic crochet pot covers, often suitable for beginners. Granny square planters. Tutorials can guide you joining granny squares and fitting them to your pot. Textured plant cozy. Look for patterns that use bubble, puff, or cable stitches to create a rich texture. Hanging planter. Macrame-inspired crochet patterns for hanging planters are popular and often available in crochet pattern sections. By following these design ideas and tips, you can create beautiful and functional crochet covers for your indoor plants, adding a unique and personalized touch to your home decor. Here is more detailed information about crochet indoor plant covers, including additional design ideas, techniques, and resources. Additional design ideas: geometric patterns. Pattern: use geometric shapes like hexagons or triangles. You can join these shapes to create a unique cover. Color: bright and contrasting colors work well to highlight the geometric design. Gradient or ombre effect. Use yarn that gradually changes color or change colors every few rows to create a gradient effect. Color. Choose a color palette that transitions smoothly from light to dark or vice versa. Boho style. Incorporate rings, tassels, and bohemian motifs. Color. Earthy tones mixed with vibrant hues like turquoise and mustard. Chevron or zigzag patterns. Create chevron or zigzag patterns using color changes and varying stitch heights. Color. Alternate between two or more colors to make the pattern stand out. Seasonal themes. Pattern. Design covers for different seasons or holidays. Color. Use colors and embellishments that represent the season or holiday. Techniques for crochet plant covers. Start with a magic ring. This technique is often used to start crocheting in the round, providing a tight, adjustable starting point. Crocheting in the round. Continuous rounds. Work in continuous rounds without joining, using a stitch marker to keep track of rounds. Joint rounds. Join each round with a slip stitch and chain up to start the next round. Increasing and decreasing. Increasing, add stitches evenly spaced or expand the cover. Decreasing. Reduce stitches or shape the cover to fit the pot snugly. Stitch patterns. Basic stitches: single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet. Advanced stitches: puff stitch, bubble stitch, shell stitch, and popcorn stitch. Finishing techniques: edging, add a decorative edge like picot, scallop, or carved stitch. Locking. Lock the finished cover to shape it properly and even out stitches. By incorporating these design ideas, techniques, you can create unique and beautiful crochet indoor plant covers that add a personal touch to your home decor. Thanks for watching this video. Happy crocheting!